Wish all the hashtags, likes, and tweets would find a way to get lost. Yeah, and when I pull up to the scene, I wonder what the hell is the cost. And yeah, I know you've never seen nothing like this before. Yeah, but this is different. I deserve to find some self-comfort. So find a way to
Hey, what's up guys, Eric here. Today I'm going to be showing you a little trip of me going from San Diego to Anaheim. So it should be a fun little trip for you all. As an added bonus, you'll be seeing me using my cane this time. Yeah, I feel bad this one isn't coming with me this time. Sorry girl, sorry, I know. So yeah, I mean, should be interesting for all of you to see. I'm happy. I know I couldn't give you all much content the other time, so this should make up for it. Enjoy guys.
Irma, lo logramos. What a walk. I'm freaking tired, man. I can't feel my legs anymore. I have no idea how we made it through there. El momento, ¿verdad, ma?
Qué bonito.
Sí. Sí.
yeah, I won't accept this life if fate is given. So find a way to get lost.